Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Some of you will remember these from Halloween that I made, and I filled them with sand from friend of the channel, Tom, who goes by WTL on the internet. He has a great channel, by the way, very relaxing bike ride videos. He just shoots whatever's in front of him when he's riding his bike, or running sometimes. But a few years back, I will link it up there in the iCard, and hopefully I'll remember to link it down in the description. I made a sign or letters for them, for Algonquin Park. And I used the sand from Algonquin Park in Canada, for those letters, and they have requested for me to make the word established 1996. So I'm pretty sure that's when they met or got married, one or the other. I can't remember which, but so they have requested that. And then also, I don't know if it'll be in this video or if I'm just gonna make it off camera, but also they have requested me to make the name Catherine. That's going to be in different colors. So I'll probably just start with the established 1996 and then go from there. But if you didn't see the previous video or don't remember, the colors for their letters, they made a cute little sign. Hopefully I can get a picture of it and I'll pop it up here. I hope that's okay with Tom. Where they used the letters for their names and they put it in front of their campsite where they camp in Algonquin Park. So I used purple and orange, and then the letters were half purple and sand and half orange and sand. So that's what I'm going to continue with this. With the established 1996. So I'm going to find, oh good. I was going to say, I'm going to find a piece of paper so I can write all the letters out and which color they're going to be, because they are going to be alternating, and Lord knows that I am dumb enough to not remember that. So yeah, this should be a relatively simple one. I just have to mix up the resin and then the sand with the resin and then the purple and orange individually. So I'll have three little cups to pour from. So this is going to take several pours, a couple of pours, because obviously I've only got 1 9. I've only got one established. Yeah. There may be other letters that I'm misremembering right now that I will need doubles of, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Relatively simple, but again, it's gonna be in multiple pours. So I don't know, let's go ahead and get started. had some extra resin. That also included some of the sand, so I kind of poured it into coasters. I think they look like crap, but you know, well, at least that one does. Let's see how this one looks. I didn't have any orange in this one, so this is all just sand and then purple on the bottom. You know, I'm just gonna toss these in as little like extra freebies for them. Okay, also, off camera, I went ahead and poured another 9, another E, and another S to finish Established. And the 9 for 1996. A little bit of cleanup to do on these, but here's what these are looking like. I don't know where this teeny tiny little bit of blue came from. So I'm gonna pour another E so that it doesn't have that in there. But these are looking really cool so far. Let's go ahead and demold the rest of these. I kind of want to do them in order. There's an S. I do have some cleanup to do. Shouldn't be that difficult though. Especially on these, like the ones that are pretty easy to clean up. I don't know what I'm saying. It's been a long day, y'all. It's been busy at work. Okay. L. And an I. And this also gives me a good idea if I maybe poured the wrong color for a certain letter. Established. That one, I'll pour another I because that's just all sand. There's like very little orange in that one. So since I'm gonna pour another E, and I'll go ahead and do that. Established. Here we go. Here's the D. Okay. Okay. And then a 9, or a 1. 1996. All right. Hey, not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna re-pour this E because of the tiny little turquoise chip in it from God knows where. And then I'm gonna also, my lights are flickering. I'm also gonna re-pour this I just to make sure that there's more of the orange in there. Yeah, I'm gonna clean these all up and get them packed up and shipped out. So, yeah. I'm excited to see his sign when he updates it. With these letters. Hopefully it looks cool to him. Just doing some cleanup. Anyway, this was super quick and easy. If I have any Canadian friends in here, tell me have you ever been to Algonquin Park? Is that Is that a regular spot for your family as well? Let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry it's a quick and easy one today. And I guess I could have demolded this as a bonus on molding, but I mean, there you go, Tom. You kind of got a bonus on molding. I just didn't announce it as such, but yeah. All right, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.